Linear equations for grade 7 mathematics, keywords with explanation. Linear equation, a mathematical equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. It represents a straight line when graphed. Variable, a symbol that represents an unknown value or quantity in an equation. Coefficient, the numerical value multiplying a variable in a term. It determines the rate of change of the variable. Constant, a fixed value in an equation that does not change. It can be a number or a term without a variable. Graph, a visual representation of data or equations on a coordinate plane, typically using points and lines. Coordinate plane, a two-dimensional plane formed by two perpendicular number lines, x-axis and y-axis, that intersect at the origin, 0, 0. One variable, an equation that contains only one variable, such as x or y. Multiple variables, an equation that contains more than one variable, such as x and y. Solution, a value or set of values that make an equation true when substituted into the variables. Inverse operations, mathematical operations that undo each other. For example, addition and subtraction are inverse operations, as well as multiplication and division. Addition, a mathematical operation that combines two or more numbers to find their sum. Subtraction, a mathematical operation that finds the difference between two numbers. Multiplication, a mathematical operation that combines two or more numbers to find their product. Division, a mathematical operation that divides one number by another to find the quotient. Simplify, to perform operations and combine like terms in an equation to make it less complex or easier to work with. Like terms, terms in an equation that have the same variables raised to the same power. They can be combined or simplified. Distributive property, a property that allows the multiplication of a value or expression by each term inside parentheses. Verify, to check or confirm if a solution satisfies an equation by substituting the value into the equation and ensuring equality. Equality, a condition in which two values or expressions are equal. Practical applications, real-life situations where linear equations can be used to model and solve problems, such as calculating distances, determining costs, or analyzing data. Understanding these keywords and their explanations is crucial for comprehending and working with linear equations effectively. They provide the necessary terminology for discussing, solving, and applying linear equations.